041 here, or Yu-Gi-Oh! 041. It doesn't matter. I'm watching Super Smash Bros. Wii U finally. 3DS is around there somewhere. I think it's over there. Anyway, so let's get into the boxing. Warning: this video will not be edited. So, let's actually show you the bot. The bot. I know there must be a lot of them up already on YouTube. Yes, I know. I'm late. I don't care. Let's get this in. Let's get into this. Whoa. Wait. Oh, wait. When I had it in my hand, I saw an easier way. Yeah, the amiibo button. Yeah, buddy. This is not that sharp. There you go. I can't believe a quarter is not that strong. Huh. Yeah, I finally got it off. I'm doing this one-handed. I apologize. I should have taken a seat. There we go. I believe the Club Nintendo is in the back. Ooh, that's a beautiful disc. I actually have played this game before. Yeah, the Club Nintendo's in the back. That's high. The manual. Let me give you a quick look at it. I don't know if people on YouTube are good people. That's the manual. The disc. It looks beautiful. I'll play some of this later. Alright. So, that was my unboxing. So yeah, I'm sorry. Comment, don't subscribe. If you want to subscribe. I'm sorry I haven't made videos in a long time. I really apologize. So yeah. Peace. See you. God bless you.